Okay. This is the best time to record this video. Trust me when I say this, because the Arch server is completely broke right now. And why it is the best time, you'll get to know in few minutes. We are going to rebuild Newt V1. For the OG rodent, it's not alienating, but for the new folks, I'll simply explain what it was exactly. So basically, Newt V1 was nothing but an AI system, which is completely local, which is completely autonomous, easy to use, not too much of complexity inside it, and should cover everything which is happening right now in the market. And the reason behind the fall of that particular project was very simple. The brain, the LLM. एब्सोल्यूट बिकॉज इट वॉज एक्चुअली टू हैवी एंड ऑप्शंस क्या वजह थे फिर उसके बाद कि मैं API की यूज़ कर लूँ बट दैट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू बिल्ड with API key at least. And to be very honest, I was new at that particular moment. I was not fully prepared to deep dive into something like this. So now you'll be asking why now? Why creating everything from scratch from now? And the answer is very simple. Primary, you have to end whatever you have started. And secondary, whatever I'm doing right now is somehow connected to Newt V1, and it is very important for me to do that. Like I wanted to make an MCP server, which I can include in Newt V1. I wanted to use N8N and OpenClaw and every other AI autonomous bot tools all together in a cluster. Again, it came to the picture that I have to make Newt V1. I can integrate it in it. I wanted my Lenovo server to be my AI server. Again, Newt V1 come into the picture and I just cannot get rid of it. So what now? It's really important for me to answer now. We'll rebuild Newt V1 from scratch, but the name will be Arc V1. So the reason is very simple. First, it sounds bad if you see in a broad perspective. And secondly, there's already a project existing in the name of Newt V1. Not exactly V1, but Newt project. There is something, I'm not exactly sure in which domain it covers, but there is something that exists in the name of Newt. And now let's answer some frequent questions. How Arc V1 would look like? For that, few things are required. One laptop that handle everything, act like a server for Arc V1, and another laptop to use it. Basically, how a client-server model works. That's exactly what we need right now. What is the reason behind building Newt V1? This is the most fundamental question I have asked myself before starting this. First, it is just a product as of now, because I want to explore completely, and if I find a way out, monetize it or publish it completely, then definitely I'll be doing that. But essentially, it is for the people who want to explore and build something out of it. So as an abstract, what Arc V1 would look like? A complete headless server, which will be my Lenovo Arch Linux. This guy is dead, I need to fix that up. And a client, a GUI interface to interact with the server. And that is very important. I need to do some crazy UI interface designing that I need to that I have to do. What will be inside it? MCP, Model Context Protocol, all the latest AI tools like CLI coders, N8N, CloudBot, and the upcoming ones which I can integrate on the go. Because ultimately the goal is to explore how network, server, intelligence system all work together and ease the daily life. What if we face any issues like whatever happened back then? Well, back then I don't have mentors. But now I have some mentors who are genuinely interested in the work I'm doing right now and give me some value proposition of their time, and they can help me build something out of the box. Well, grateful to have them though. It'll be more of a thing that there are a lot of things that I still don't know as well, and a lot of things that I have to figure it out, and there are a lot of things that are alienating for me too as well. But the goal is to experience, and it doesn't even matter if we are able to complete that project or not. No, but it is very important for me to end things which I have started. Kudos to Hitesh sir for putting this line inside my head, and trust me when I say that it is the best piece of advice that I've ever received. I have the idea, but the way he put it inside my head, it's just way too off, and I cannot let it out inside from my head. Like whenever I start to think something new, and then this thought always come up that if you're starting this, you have to end that shit out. Kudos to him. And I think for an introduction video, that's sufficient, and that's it for today. Peace out.